Buongiorno, prego, magnifico. Yes, I do have a little bit Italian in me because I'm always eating Italian food. Today we're gonna make a fettuccine Alfredo pasta with Cajun shrimp. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around. Alright, so this is real easy. What I'm doing right now is rendering some bacon fat. I'm going to use the flavor of the bacon to help make that fettuccine Cajun shrimp pasta be like Chef Jerod style. Y'all know how I do it. So let me cook this bacon up, and once this bacon is done, I'm going to show y'all the next step. Alright, so look at this bacon, guys. We are almost right where we want it to be. At this point right here, we're going to make a Cajun shrimp Alfredo. Man, so I'm gonna take some shrimp, right? I took the shrimp, I cleaned them, I cut it open right here and pulled the vein out. You see that? You gotta make sure you cut that and get all the vein out of there. And then you wash them real good. Then I'm gonna take some Cajun seasoning, right? Oh man. All right, I'm gonna mix this up real good. And then I'm gonna add this in there with the bacon. Y'all see that? And I'm gonna cook these shrimp a little bit. Once these shrimp where I need it to be, guys, now we're gonna start building the sauce right in this spot for this. So do not go anywhere. Hey, right, look at this. The right way you wanna be. The shrimp are looking good, like a quarter of the way cooked, because we're gonna add the sauce in here. Right at this point, we're gonna add the garlic. Now, I roasted the garlic, but you could buy roasted garlic as well. So I got some roasted garlic, and I'm gonna add that in there. I'm gonna mix this up. Man, this is looking so good. Now what I'm gonna do is add my heavy cream to this. Now this is heavy whipping cream. This is gonna make the Alfredo the Alfredo. We're gonna let that simmer for about 5 minutes, let it get nice and thick. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, but I'll show you guys that step right when we come back. Man, this is looking good. All right, so we got it. We got it simmering, right? You know, sometimes you gotta let it simmer down, baby. You know you gotta let it simmer down. Right when you get to this point right here, you take the Parmesan cheese and then you add the Parmesan cheese. And this is gonna help it get nice and make a nice thick creamy sauce, all right? Once that cheese starts melting, you're gonna see this sauce starts to get a little bit thick. Now I want a Cajun cream sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit more Cajun seasoning to my sauce, all right? Add a little bit more cheese. And then guys, I'm gonna let that simmer, let it get nice and thick. And then I'm gonna add the spinach. I'm gonna add the fettuccine. Said that right? Fettuccine. And then we're gonna put this together, guys. Don't go nowhere, man. I got another special surprise for you that I didn't tell you about, so don't go nowhere. All right, so this is nice and creamy. Y'all see that? And I just kept stirring it. I kept stirring it. Had it on a medium, low heat, and I kept stirring it, right? The shrimp are nice and plump. You got the bacon in there and that Cajun cream sauce. Oh man, we're looking good. So it's a couple more steps I want to take right now, all right? I'm gonna take some basil. I mean, this is not basil, this is spinach. I'm gonna take some spinach, and then I'm just gonna tear them and just drop it in there, just like that. Now you can use spinach leaves like I did, man, or you can get you some frozen spinach, or you can use basil. You can use whatever you like, but this is spinach is gonna help take it over the edge. And then my fettuccine pasta. I'm gonna take that fettuccine and add it right in the pot like that. Look at that, look how beautiful that looks. You guys see that? Man, so now I'm just gonna take this pasta and mix it up with that bacon. Man, and those shrimps, you know what I'm saying? Nice and creamy. Y'all see this? Fold it over like that. Oh, yes, we are almost ready to start plating this, guys. So we're gonna get ready for the next step, man. This is looking so good. I'm gonna turn this heat off, hit it with a little bit of more Parmesan. I'll show y'all what I got next. So awesome, people. 45,000 of y'all awesome people. You can't have a pasta, you can't have fettuccine Alfredo without garlic bread, right? So this is our garlic bread. So what I'm gonna do right now is cut just a little bit of the top off, right? Of the garlic bread. Cut that off like that. And then I'm going to just hollow out. Say, Chef, why you always hollowing out? I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm just gonna take some of this out just like this. Actually, you can freeze this. This makes really good croutons, all right? Take that out like that. And then you take some of this garlic butter that I have right here and just put it on here like that. Man, so we just slather it down with this garlic butter. You feel me? It's just awesomeness, right? You flip it over. Let's even get this side right here, because we're gonna use it all, right? Man, look at that. I'm just gonna make it rain on that thing. That's how we say it around here. Y'all know we are always building flavors. Hey, right in the middle of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, all right? Don't forget. Now, I got that in there. Got that smothered down in there. I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese. Say, Chef, what are you doing? Y'all see that? All around the outside, some Parmesan cheese, right? And then I'm gonna take some cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, cheddar makes it better. And I'm gonna put it inside here, all up against the crevices of that thing, right? Take it in there and just put it all in there like that. Are you serious, Chef? Say, what do you got that big pan right there? I'm glad you asked. Say, what's this big pan for? Put the cheddar cheese on here. Man, that looks so good. I got every crack and cranny in there, right? Then I'm gonna take this right here and spray it down real good so my bread don't stick, you know? You can use some of that garlic butter if you want to. I just opted to use that. I'm gonna set this right here. Don't go nowhere. Stay right there, camera guy. I told y'all I had a surprise. I ain't playing no game. Then we're gonna take this pasta. Y'all see that? The Alfredo, the shrimp. Y'all see it? You see that? You see it, camera? Do you see it, camera guy? All right, we're gonna put that in here. Oh, you cannot be serious. We're gonna put that in here, right? Man, this is so good. Now, you can serve it traditionally, but y'all should know me by now. I don't even roll like that. I'm gonna add this in here, and I'm gonna stack it real good, too. Y'all see that shrimp, the bacon, the cheese, the creamy Alfredo sauce that we made? Do y'all see it? The spinach. Make sure you get it in there now. Let's get some shrimp. Make sure we get some shrimp in here. Okay, y'all see it? We ain't even done yet, because what I'm gonna do now is put some of this cheese on this thing, right? Take some Parmesan. Just make it rain, right? Some Parmesan on there. Oh, should I say Parmesan? Then I'm gonna take some of this mozzarella and just make it rain. Or should I say mozzarella? All right, put that over there like that. Okay. Then we're gonna take some of this. Can't say parsley in Italian. Just say the parsley. You do your hand like this, everything becomes Italian. All right. Put it on there like that, and just woo, load it. Now this and this gonna go in the oven. 400 degrees like juvenile. 400 degrees for about 15-20 minutes, just so all this cheese can melt. And when I come back, you and I, me and you, us, gonna enjoy this fettuccine Alfredo. Hold on. Blackened shrimp, fettuccine Alfredo, baked inside garlic bread or cheesy bread. Man, Chef, you better get out of here. I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'm gonna holler at y'all. Come here, man. You know we in between takes and all that. But check this out, camera guy. Look how that's melting. You see that, man? See how that cheese is melting on that thing? I'm gonna give it maybe about 2, 3, maybe even 4 more minutes, and I'm gonna pull it out. But looking real good right now, man. Oh, y'all wait till y'all see this thing. All right, so I'm getting ready to pull it out of the oven. Look at that beautifulness. Look at that, guys. Nice and melted, beautiful. And we're gonna take it right here. Oh man, cheese. Look at that, bread is nice and crunchy. So what we're gonna do, and this right here, guys, listen, you can use chicken, you can use shrimp, you can use sausage, you can make it a tomato sauce, just make it yours, right? We're gonna take this and bring it out. Oh, this is looking so good. Put it right here. Just like that, right? Let's move this to the side. Oh man, this is, I mean, you ain't gotta do much to it now. You know, take some more cheese, just if you want to. Just sprinkle the cheese on here like this. And then I took some basil, right? Some fresh basil. That basil, man, is just gonna give it so much flavor. People gonna be wondering what that is. Man, God, this is so delicious looking, guys. Take the cheese, a little bit more cheese, put it on there like that. Then we're gonna take some parsley and just set it on here, man. Any way you like, man. It ain't gotta be the way I'm doing it. Man, this is looking so good right now. Now, what I'm gonna do next is take some Cajun seasoning and hit it with the Cajun seasoning. And then I'll show you guys, this is pretty much it. I'll show you guys what's next, man. God, this is looking so good. So put this Cajun seasoning on here like this. Just let it, sprinkle it around everywhere. Just let it fall down, man. And that's it right there. You take this, just set it here, guys. That's it. You put it anywhere. We can just open face that thing like that and serve it just like that. How good does that look? Here it is, guys. Here it is. Chef Jerod's baked blackened shrimp or Cajun shrimp fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Baked inside that nice brioche bread, man. That is awesome. Y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta take pictures and all that stuff. So we're gonna do that and then we'll come back and holler at you guys. So don't go nowhere. You camera guy, always hungry, man. Can I get this please, camera guy? God, man, you've been staring at it for like the last 10 minutes. We got work to do, man. All right, so y'all see that, right? We done took pictures. Are we done? Can we cut into it, camera guy? Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do is just set this right here, guys. And then I'm gonna lift this off here. Oh, man. Y'all ready for me to cut into this thing? Y'all ready? Now, I'm gonna go straight down the middle because that's where all the good stuff is. Some of the shrimp gonna fall out. But if you was serving this at home, what you would do is just cut it in there and put it on the plate. But I'm gonna cut it down the middle. And remember, we stuffed it with cheese. Remember that? Y'all ready for this? Oh yeah, look at that, man. Nice layered with cheese and all that, man. That's what I'm talking about. So Master King Chef Jerod's gonna cut it like that there. Man, this is crazy. I don't even know how to do it. Get some of this pasta with a little bit of shrimp. And then, that's where this garlic bread comes. Hold on, let me just stick that fork in it like that because it's done, right? Take this bread right here. That's where this bread come in at, right? Just in case you don't get none on your bread. So you take the fork and your bread and then you That's my dance. That right there, you talking about taking pasta to a whole nother level. First of all, that garlic bread, that smothered bread that we did with that garlic butter, it gives the bread so much flavor. And then we stuffed the bread with cheddar cheese. You could taste the sharpness of that cheddar cheese. Then we put some Parmesan and mozzarella inside. Then we took that creamy pasta that we made. That bacon gives it such a good flavor. And then that shrimp, and then the garlic again, more cheese and cream and cheese and bacon and cheese, cream and shrimp. Oh man, this is mind-blowing. It's so good. This is so good. Hold on, let me get another shrimp. I ain't never tasted nothing this many times before. You guys already know that is fire right there. That is straight fire, I promise y'all. All right, guys, remember, always keep God first. Yeah, keep God. Speaking of keeping God first, shout out to my man, Dario Howard at info@freshairclothing.com. Y'all check this out. Go. We usually think it means greatest of all times, but no, my man took that GOAT acronym and he flipped that thing. And it says, God of all things. We all know that our Lord is the GOAT. Shout out to you, Dario Howard at freshairclothing.com. Y'all check out his website. He got some really nice stuff on there. We're gonna drop that link below. Speaking of the GOAT, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Good. Yeah, that's my Italian accent. I must got a little bit of Italian in me because let's cut that because I said Italian and I said molto grazie. Remember guys, always eat, whoa. Gotta cut that because I almost choked. Be back in a minute.